happiness at your fingertips. So you might be surprised, or you might be thinking that today's video is regarding what kind of plants, because I am sitting indoor. So yes, today's video is regarding certain indoor or foliage plants that mostly people want or like to grow at home. Yes, because they are low maintenance type of plants. And recently I have got two kinds of plants from a website that is called as rootbridge.com, because these plants are really very easy to maintain, and I really wanted to get one of those pothos or money plant that people generally say. So this particular plant, I would like to show it to you, is from the website named as rootbridge.com. This particular website link is given below in the description box. If you want, you may check it. And this website really sells nice, cute, cheap indoor plants. So this one I really wanted to get for a long time. I already have a category of money plant in my home, but this is the second one that I wanted to try, and here it is. So please stay with me and have a look at my entire video to know how I have planted my pothos and how do I care for my pothos or money plant at home. So please stay with me and enjoy the entire video. Okay, so these are the two little cute plants that have arrived today from the website named as rootbridge.com, as I have already said before. I wanted to really have this variegated leaved pothos for a long time, and here I have it today finally. This one is the Syngonium. I also wanted to have a Syngonium actually, so I have ordered both of them. So today I am going to show how I am planting my pothos or the money plant into a planter, and how I care for my pothos or money plant. So here I go. And as you are quite aware of by now, this is my balcony and my plants. So let me start with choosing my soil. So this is the soil I have. I have mixed some coco peat with garden soil. This is the ceramic pot, and we'll start with the pothos. So here I have this cute plant that they have sent, but somehow while on the process the soil have somehow toppled out. So I will remove the sellotape very carefully and take out the okay. Now the plant have already come out. These are the cuttings actually. They have put in some cuttings. These are the cuttings of money plant basically, the roots of which have grown. So there are 5 cuttings, and this is the coco peat soil. So I will mix this soil because this is a nice soil. And here I have my pot and the stone chip. So I am putting the stone chip beneath at the center on the hole in order to stop excess water come out. And now I'll put my soil. So this is the garden soil and the coco peat that I have already kept mixed. So pothos or money plant, they are such indoor foliage plants that literally grows even in low light and does pretty well indoors. Okay, now money plants are certain plants that are mostly liked by major people, people who want to keep at home indoors. Now I am going to mix this coco peat into the soil. And nicely mix the soil and the coco peat together. And now I will just take all the cuttings, put them together. Just dig a little bit of hole into the soil and put it inside and cover it up with a nice amount of coco peat or soil. So you need to do this portion very carefully in order to not damage the roots, because these roots are really very tender. Now I'm almost done. So I would like to share simple care tips for this kind of pothos or money plant. Well, pothos are very low light indoor plants, and hence they do not need relatively nice direct sunlight. It can be even kept indoors. And as for fertilizers, I would like to say that once a month a handful of compost or a few drops of seaweed extract added to water can do great for your plants to help them out. It really helps to keep your plant keep growing and remain healthy in a very good green condition. And yes, of course, pruning is also necessary when in case you find there is any unwanted dry or yellowing of leaves in your plant, then pruning is very necessary. This also helps the plant to grow a bit bushier. And most important, the soil that you are putting it in should be a proper drainage soil. These are very happening plants and I really love it. So I am really done with it. And now coming to watering, another important point regarding money plant is that money plants or pothos are generally such plants that like to have soil dry out between waterings. So water it thoroughly until it drips from the bottom, and water it when you find the topsoil completely dry. Only then you need to water it. So right now, because for the first time I am watering this plant of mine, I will water it thoroughly and I will show you how it drips from the bottom. So this is how you should water it completely, so that the water drips from the bottom. And you should only water money plant or any kind of foliage plants when you find the topsoil dry. So this is another one kind of money plant I have, but I have propagated this particular plant from cuttings and I have kept it in a glass bowl, as you can see. So guys, here is my little beautiful cute green colored variegated pothos, and I hope you have found this video useful. So if you have found this particular video on money plant or pothos helpful, then please do click a like and hit the subscribe button, and do not forget to press the bell button beside subscribe in order to stay with me for many more interesting videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.